In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fireflies in Google Meet. If you want an automatic note taker that records your meeting and creates searchable transcripts, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. Start inside Google Meet. Open your meeting using the link you were given so you're actually in the live session. It helps to join a minute early to get everything ready. Next, copy the meeting link. In Meet, open the meeting details and copy the full joining link to your clipboard. This is the exact link Fireflies needs to find your call. Make sure you grab the main link and not just a calendar invite preview. Now switch to your Fireflies dashboard in a new browser tab. Have your account open and ready. Being logged in ensures the bot can join immediately. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Add to Live Meeting. This is the control that dispatches the note taker into your ongoing call. Click Add to Live Meeting, and when the prompt appears, paste the Google Meet link you just copied. Give it a quick glance to confirm there are no extra spaces or characters at the beginning or end. That prevents join errors. Then click Join to send the Fireflies bot into your meeting. Within moments, you should see the note taker appear in Google Meet as a participant. Let everyone know the conversation is being recorded and transcribed so you stay aligned with your organization's policies and local consent rules. From here, you can run your meeting as usual while Fireflies captures the discussion in the background. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Keep your microphone close and reduce background noise. Clearer audio produces better transcripts and summaries. If you're screen sharing, speak your key points out loud so they're captured in the recording. And if your organization uses host controls, make sure external participants are allowed to join. This includes the note taker. When the meeting ends, the bot will leave automatically. Your recording, transcript, and highlights will be available inside your Fireflies workspace for review, sharing, and follow-up. That means less time taking notes and more time focusing on the conversation. And that's it. You've added Fireflies to Google Meet by opening your meeting, copying the link, heading to the Fireflies dashboard, clicking Add to Live Meeting, pasting the link, and hitting Join. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more organized meetings.